That's for you. Check it out. That's for you. Take it. That's all yours. Yeah, you know you like it.
Tell them where
right?
you're coming from. Where are you coming from, Sebastian?
Where you come from? School? Yeah.
We gotta speak, buddy. We have a voice.
No, it's okay.
Little Papa. You want to get in the car?
Want to check out the car?
Want to check out the police car?
Go for it, buddy. Go for it.
Is it open?
Check it out.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what is this about, sir?
Just going out, helping the community, giving toys
Beautiful.
out.
Yeah.
We're from domestic violence. We're from PSA 4, so.
Excellent.
We help
We
out.
are in the area 15 years.
All right, excellent.
Had our kids here. That's my youngest. My oldest is at Florence Nightingale, PS 110.
Good job. Want to do it again?
Yeah, Seabass.
Say it again.
Hi, Daddy.
All right.
Hello, my son.
You want to press the button? Look. You want to... Which one is it? One that makes the noise? Huh?
And then.
Go ahead, do it. This one right here.
Yeah,
look,
press it, Sebastian.
This one.
Yeah,
All right,
buddy.
good job.
Nice. Nice. It's a beautiful thing you guys are doing. Seriously.
We try.
It's a good way to encourage the community. Seriously.
It's little things that we get, you know. It's little things that we do.
Beautiful.
We try. And look at him.
Gentlemen,
The best part
Thank
is
you.
No problem.
Awesome.
Anytime. As long as we can put a smile on his face, that's all that matters. Right,
you
champ?
like that?
Right, champ? Let me see that big smile. Yeah.
What's your
I
name?
love it.
Sebastian.
Speak up. What's your name?
Sebastian.
Excellent.
All right, Sebastian.
Excellent.
Enjoy your toy, all right? Have fun.
Say thank you.